Diyan kita sa kumbinto sa Banwa sa Kabatan. Mao na plasta na digil ang mga santos. San Jose, patron Saint Father Worker Family, a happy death feast day, March 19 and May 1. Donor, Captain and Mrs. Marlon Paniagua, Sunya Paniagua. San Isidro Labrador, patron Saint Farmer Laborer Life, Rural Life Feast Day, May 15. Donor, Mrs. Consuelo Silda and family. San Andres, patron Saint Fisherman and Fishmonger. Feast Day, November 30. Donor, Mr. and Mrs. Marlon Consumo, Mr. and Mrs. Nestor Amoroso Jr. San Peregrino, patron Saint Cancer patients and those suffering from life-threatening illness. Feast Day, May 1. Donor, Dr. Elvira Lisra Arellano and family. San Blas, patron Saint Rose Ailment Veterinarians, Wool Commerce and Wild Animals. Feast Day, February 3. Donor, Mr. and Mrs. Raymond Reyes, Ginebel Reyes ni de la Cuesta. San Camilo de Lilis, patron saint, the sick, hospital, nurse, and healthcare workers. Feast Day, July 14. Mrs. F. Merced Silava and children. San Benito, Saint Benedict, patron saint, monk, students, and those suffering from poisonings. Feast Day, July 11. Donor, Mrs. Magdalena Lujan Parcon and children. San Juan Maria Vianney, Saint, patron saint, priest, and confessors. Feast Day, August 4. Donor, Mrs. Salvacion Villages Ismaya and children. San Judas Tadeo, patron saint, desperate cases, lost causes, and impossible situations. October 20, Feast Day, October 28. Donor, Buenaflor and Didal family. San Roque, patron saint, plague victims, dogs, invalids, and falsely accused people. Feast Day, August 16. Family, a donor, family of the late Roque Tupila Calero. San Nicolas de Mira, patron saint, children, sailors, merchants, archers, and brokers. Feast Day, December 6. Donor, Engineer and Mrs. Nicolas Mancelento, Gina Mancelento ni Incajonado. San Padre Pio, patron saint, adolescent, civil defense, volunteers, the sufferings. Feast Day, September 23. Donor, Mr. and Mrs. Jimmy Cruz, Mary R.C. Cruz ni Umadhay. San Mateo, patron saint, accountant, bankers, tax collectors. Feast Day, September 21. Donor, Engineer and Mrs. Albert Pensalida, Heidi Pensalida ni Amoroso. San Antonio de Padua, patron saint, lost items, the poor, and travelers. Feast Day, June 13. Donor, Mr. and Mrs. Isidro Comodero and children. San Francisco de Assis, patron saint, animal, ecology, and merchants. Feast Day, October 4. Donor, Miss Monet M. Malparta. San Vicente Ferrer, patron saint, builders, construction workers. Feast Day, April 5. Donor, Mr. and Mrs. Roberto Havillana Jr., Maria Annalina Havillana ni Curati. Augusta Saint Agatha, patron saint, breast cancer patients, rape victims, wet nurses, and bell founders. Feast Day, February 5. Donor, Mr. and Mrs. Militon M. Borbon, Divina Borbon ni Udila. San Lucas, patron saint, artists, physicians, surgeons, bachelors. Feast Day, October 18. Dr. Milo Soriaso and Dr. Risa Soriaso ni Panganiban. Nuestra Señora de Fatima, Saint Patron Saint, Peace, Repentance. Feast Day, May 13, honor the family of the late Evaristo and Lourdes Turmon. San Marcos Evangelista. Patron Saint, notaries, lawyers, and lion tamers. Feast Day, April 25, Donor Aprilin and Richard Escoza. Sherry May Archeda. Nuestra Señora de Lujan. Patron Saint, Traveler, Transport Workers. Feast Day, May 8. Donor, Mr. Dexter Lujan Bray. Nuestra Señora de la Paz, Buen Viaje. Patron Saint, Travelers, Safe Journeys. Feast Day, first Tuesday of May. Donor, Mateo and Emilia Roti and children. Santo Tomas. Patron Saint, Architects, Builders, and Carpenters. Feast Day, July 3. Donor, Maida Ko family. Amo na kitsay, Santo Tomas. Nuestra Madre del Perpetuo Socorro. Patron Saint, venerated for help in all kinds of difficulties, especially in urgent cases. Feast Day, June 27. Donor, Mr. and Mrs. Reggie Cortez Nandin, Filomena Nandin, ni Fernandez. Santa Maria Magdalena. Patron Saint, penitent sinners, converts, perfumers, and women. Feast Day, July 22. Donor, Miss Corazon Aguero and Miss Rodessa Marie Contreras and family. Immaculada Concepcion, Patron Saint, the Church, Purity and Protection, Principal Patroness of the Philippines. Feast Day, December 8, in memory of Marcelo and Iluminada Soriaso. Santa Monica. Patron Saint, Mother, Wives, and Victims of Abuses. Feast Day, August 27. Donor, Mr. and Mrs. Jose Johnny Ridomi and Mr. and Mrs. Gino Puga. Nuestra Señora de la Medalla Milagrosa. Patron Saint, invoke for protection and special graces. Feast Day, November 27. Donor, Mr. and Mrs. Felix Senior and Eustaquia Trabado Velasco and family. Santa Isabel de Hungría. Patron Saint, bakers, nurses, widows, charitable works, patroness of Archdiocese of Haro. Feast Day, November 17. Donor, Miss Maluluhan Marfil. Santa Maria Faustina Kowalska. Patron Saint, Divine Mercy Devotion. Feast Day, October 5. Donor, Maria Lorna Cabra Leiso and children. Santa Ana. Patron Saint, mothers, grandmothers, pregnant women, minors. Feast Day, July 26. Donor, Mr. and Mrs. Ronald Servidad, Teresa Servidad ni Difante. Santa Rita de Casquia. Patron Saint, impossible causes, abused wives, and heartbroken women. Feast Day, May 22. Donor, Mr. Louis Evan Green Sala and family. Santa Teresa de Avila. Patron Saint, headache sufferers and lace makers. Feast Day, October 15. Donor, Mrs. Evelyn Rosales Licera and children. Santa Teresita del Niño Jesus. Patron Saint, missions, florist, aviators, the sick. Feast Day, October 1. Donor, Mr. Dexter Lujan Bray. San Juan Evangelista. Patron Saint, writers, authors, theologians, and friendship. Feast Day, December 27. Donor, Mr. and Mrs. Arnolfo G. Dominguez Sr. and family. Feli Dominguez ni Cuarte. So, munitanan ang mga santos na ari diri sa palibot ng kumbento sa Banwasang Kabatuan. Kung maiduha pa ito gali, nga kayo natin makuha. San Pedro. San Pedro, Saint, Christian, Workers, Shipbuilders, and Nagpapasi. Feast Day, July 11, 29, Restaurant, Eduardo, Joan, Rosales, and family. Ito po din isa. San Pablo, Patron Saint, missionaries, theologians, writers, and public relations. Feast Day, June 29. Doon St. Churches Class 1983.